Welcome to the Wealth Wisdom, where knowledge becomes power and power builds your future.
In today's video, we're diving into one of the wildest penny stock situations I've seen in 2025. This company is down over 60% in just a few weeks, trading at a tiny $26 million market cap. Yet, it's in the middle of spinning off to core business divisions for hundreds of millions. If that's not enough, this company is pushing forward in a new direction that has even received major outside investment of more than $100 million this year from Saudi Arabia and has partnered with Crypto.com. In today's video, I will be looking at VivaPower International, ticker symbol VVPR. I'll break down the catalysts, the spin-offs, the risks, and why this penny stock should be on your watch list right now. If you find any value in this, please smash the like button. It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it takes only 2 seconds for you and costs nothing. It helps the channel so much. I'm aiming for 500 likes on this video, so help me hit that goal. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. VivaPower International, ticker symbol VVPR, is a sustainability-driven enterprise undergoing a digital treasury transformation. Founded in 2014, VivaPower operates with a global footprint across the United Kingdom, Australia, North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. VivaPower has 3 business units. Carrot Digital is a Power-to-X business focused on the highest and best use cases for renewable power, including digital asset mining. They plan to deliver renewable solar power generation aligned with their Power-to-X vision. Tembo is an electric vehicle business focused on electric solutions for off-road and on-road customized and ruggedized fleet applications, including financing, charging, battery, and microgrid solutions. Both divisions could provide huge upcoming catalysts for VivaPower, but not in the way you might think, because the company is moving in a new direction. The company's new direction centers around the acquisition, management, and long-term holding of XRP digital assets as part of a diversified digital treasury strategy. This mirrors the digital treasury trend popularized by Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, but with a bold focus on XRP, one of the world's most established blockchain assets. Through this shift, VivaPower aims to contribute to the growth and utility of XRP by supporting decentralized finance, infrastructure, and real-world blockchain applications. This new shift has brought a lot of attention to the company because it has serious business backing. Back in May, VivaPower announced a successful private capital raise of approximately $121 million led by Prince Abdullah Al Saud of Saudi Arabia, with participation from prominent investors including Adam Trademan, former CEO of SBI Ripple Asia. Adam Trademan is listed on the company's advisory council and has a long history of success. This initiative positions VivaPower as potentially one of the first public companies focusing on an XRP-centered digital asset treasury strategy intended to support decentralized finance applications on the XRP ledger. The raised funds will be used for purchasing and holding XRP, expanding the treasury and DeFi team, reducing debt, and general working capital. This is where things get very interesting, as they now focus on the XRP strategy. They are planning to spin off their other two business units. Energy Holdings Limited has agreed to acquire a 51% stake in Tembo. This acquisition will proceed through a strategic PIPE investment based on a $200 million enterprise value for Tembo, and enables the resumption of Tembo's proposed business combination with Cactus Acquisition Corp., one which values Tembo at an equity valuation of over $830 million. The final equity purchase price for the 51% stake will be derived from the $200 million enterprise valuation adjusted for Tembo's net debt. This deal has been in the works for a long time. Investors on StockTwits and X have been waiting for the final announcement, meaning this could be coming soon. And no wonder. A spin-off like this could inject huge value into VivaPower. With the stock currently at a $26 million market cap, the upside could be massive. Then there's the Carrot Digital spin-off. VivaPower announced that Carrot will pursue a direct IPO on Nasdaq, with a projected market cap of over $300 million. However, there haven't been recent updates on this. Now let's talk charts. VivaPower has been extremely volatile throughout 2025, often making huge swings, dropping as much as 70% and gaining as much as 250% multiple times. Right now, VVPR stock has dropped to a very interesting level. Earlier this year, it ran from 60 cents to over $6, twice finding strong support around this same level. Every time the stock has dropped around 60%, it has found strong buying support and rallied hard. That could happen again. The MACD and RSI indicators are very bullish, with the stock deep in oversold levels. Even a bounce to a previous support level of $3.50 would be a massive gain from the current price slightly above $2. One bit of news could send this stock soaring again, whether as a swing trade or something bigger. This company is sitting at a very low $26 million market cap with a tight float, and has already proven it can make explosive moves on catalysts. In August, VivaPower selected Crypto.com as a partner to support its digital asset treasury strategy. Through the partnership, VivaPower shares will be available for trading through Crypto.com, offering crypto-native retail and institutional investors easier access. Shareholders will also benefit from superior liquidity for XRP and other digital assets, plus access to upcoming XRP restaking via Flare, which VivaPower has already partnered with. The company also announced a definitive agreement with Doppler Finance, aimed at unlocking institutional-grade yield opportunities for its XRP holdings. As part of this agreement, VivaPower intends to deploy an initial pilot of $30 million to generate yield on XRP holdings, and believes the Doppler Finance platform can grow beyond to $100 million. Recently, VivaPower successfully closed an equity raise with additional common shares issued at $6.50 per share, nearly 200% higher than the current stock price, generating $19 million in gross proceeds. Earlier this month, VivaPower signed an agreement with Quiver to invest $5 million through its Viva Federation division for roughly a 20% stake in Quiver. The parties aim to execute a definitive agreement by November 30th, the plans to use the funds to buy Vivid Power shares and build an XRP-focused digital asset reserve, plus jointly launch WeatherCoin, a weather derivative token for climate risk management. This is a non-binding agreement, so nothing is guaranteed yet. But if everything goes ahead, this could be another major catalyst for the stock. So, what do you think about Vivid Power? This could be a high-risk, high-reward play with significant growth potential as the company executes its strategic transition. The spin-offs could have a huge impact, but we don't know exactly when updates will come. Hopefully soon. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence.